They're crazy busy moms. Their pain point is their budget. They're eating unhealthy food. What can I give them or create for them a process that's going to make their lives easier? Because moms hold guilt.
What would you say allowed you to have success? Because I know a lot of people who they either struggle a lot at the beginning with one idea. They found something that they can sell, but they just struggle to make a living at it, or they're struggling to find something. What allowed you to be successful?
What allowed me to be successful? I think taking a chance on myself. I think, again, surrounding myself with people who knew my heart and knew that I needed to do something else or
I mean, let's talk about, I'm looking for tactics. Like when you started doing direct marketing, right? Like
yeah.
a lot of people are so intimidated by that. They might join. They might be one of the like 10% that joins, but then they have no idea how to go sell anything. They don't have any interest. They're scared to death.
Yeah.
When you started Easy Peasy Kitchen, like, I mean, yes, you had a coach. What was something that your coach had you do that helped you gain traction quickly?
Yeah, I think a coach or a mentor is probably the most important thing all the time. What did they have me do? I had to interview people. I had to figure out people's pain points. I had to listen to people. I had to listen. That's what I had to do. I had to stop talking. I had to get some humility and start listening, because you don't know what people need until you start listening to hearing what they need. And hearing it repetitively over and over. So when I went and did some interviews with a bunch of people, okay, you're a full-time working mom, an executive type, because most of my premieres are higher tiered management moms. They've got kids in sports, husband is full-time working also, or they're single. And they were in the drive-through spending XYZ amount of money outside. And I'm like, okay, so they're crazy busy moms. Their pain point is their budget. They're eating unhealthy food. What can I give them or create for them a process that's going to make their lives easier? Because moms hold guilt. All we want is what's best for our family and our kids. And, and so we're willing to put everything in front of us to make sure for the betterment of others. We struggle with self-care. So I just needed to listen and then hear those pain points and then create something around it. Anybody who's starting, I think, just get over the naysayers. Get over your own, it's going to be freaking hard. It's going to cost some money. You're going to get people who are going to leave your tribe. A girlfriend of mine, we called it breaking code. When you started to grow, I was growing. I'm a different person than I was way before. I'm calmer. The things I pick your battles, right? The things that used to infuriate me, now I'm like,
That might be the gin.
Yeah. But now I'm like, okay, that really bothers me, but I have to figure out why. Or I'm willing to have more conversations with myself and people around me where that didn't feel so good. Why is that? Why am I feeling this? What's going on? And is it me? Is it an insecurity? Or is it did I do something? Or was I really, or am I just you know what I mean? It's you have to do more work on yourself than you're willing to do from anyone else. No one's going to do this job for you.